Let's talk about this bike stand for a second. I love this thing. It works great for my application. I mounted it to my rolling tool cart using the included hardware, which they give you an extra screw in case you break it or strip it out. I pre-tapped my holes with a small drill bit so I wouldn't split the wood. But this thing is solid. Metal construction, plastic handle. I can grab my bike mount and pull the cart around, and this thing weighs like 200 pounds plus the bike. The clamps, rubber coated, doesn't scratch the bike at all. It even has room for your brake lines. Easy to use. And you can also adjust the angle very easily. Just release the tension on this handle, rotate the bike where you want it, and then close the handle back up. And it'll stay where you left it. Works great, makes maintenance a lot easier. I highly recommend it.
Okay, in case it's not clear, this raises and lowers it here. This is the adjustment for it. Releases this jaw so you can rotate it. Works fine. And this is the clamp down on the frame. I think that's fine. It works fine on this carbon kind of oval frame, but it's maybe a little plasticky, but it gets the job done.